All right, so I'm really excited for this because this is the first time I've ever done this to a brand new vehicle, and that is I've put a full body paint protection film on it. I then ceramic coated it and tinted it. So I'm going to go through everything that we did. And also this video is brought to you by Expel. They were able to sponsor the video, which is really cool because I've worked with their products for years, and I have an installer that I carry around with me in the back of the vehicle. We've cracked the window so he can breathe. We'll bring him out right now.
How's it going, Ben?
Welcome. Thank you. Thank you for staying in my car and keeping it protected. So you guys know Tyler from Dynamic Tint. We've worked together for years. I initially brought you my M2 like 6 years ago at this point.
Yeah.
So I paid to have it done here. We didn't know each other. I paid to have my original Model Y done here, and then Expel was nice enough to give us a sponsorship, so that's really cool. So we're going to walk you through what we did to my Model Y, the process that they use here to help you in your shopping experience. So we're going to start with the film on the exterior. Tyler covered this thing head to toe in Expel's 10 mil paint protection film. On top of that, you've laid on their ceramic coating. So I guess kind of walk us through that process.
Yeah, so as you can see behind you, Scott's actually prepping a vehicle. So we're going to go through, we're going to wash it, we're going to clay bar it, give it a good decontamination before we do the film, and then in some cases too, we also have to polish it. So we'll go through, we'll pull the trim off of this vehicle because there's certain areas that we can tuck the film to hide it a little bit better and to give you better coverage. The reason why too, we love the 10 mil here, you may not be able to capture it on a camera, but the gloss that this vehicle has is just superior than it had with just paint.
Right. And Expel offers a 10 mil and an 8 mil.
That's correct.
And then they also offer a satin film, which I will show you. I have the satin white on my Model Y, so I have that. And they have a Model 3 that I'll show you in there as well. Expel's software gives you a template to lay on here, so it makes it easier for them to install. But what Tyler does is goes a little bit further. So he will use mine as like a test car and say, okay, where can we get a little bit more coverage here and a little less here to give you full coverage? Because you don't want your film to stop on edges. You want it to be tucked. And that is what he does really well. And that's why I've come back and worked with him for many years, is because of the attention to detail. The other thing is now that he's made these changes to my car, you're able to apply those to the next Model Y. So you have another Model Y in there, your template's set up, and he's able to knock it all out. Now, we've done ceramic coating, which this is the first time I've done a ceramic coating on my car, but I hand wash my cars, I take care of them. So who would want a ceramic coating and who wouldn't? What's the maintenance that goes along with it?
So now ceramic coatings are really good, basically replacing waxes. Waxes are no more. We live in a very hot environment. Waxes burn off very quick. Well, ceramic coating, so we have 3 different options. We have a 1-year ceramic coating, we have a 4-year warranted ceramic coating, and an 8-year. This has the premium 8-year warranted ceramic coating. That's on the glass. It's on all the trim, on all the plastics, the wheel faces, and the PPF. And what that does is give it superior UV protection. It's going to make it slick, which makes it easy to clean and maintain. And it's going to make it a little bit harder to scratch because that surface is so slick.
Yeah. And then but if you do get a ceramic coating, you shouldn't be running it through a car wash, correct?
That's correct.
Yeah.
We recommend either a touchless car wash.
Yeah, you could do touchless.
Or we do hand wash and we supply you with a car detailer near us. But also, we have all the supplies that go along with maintaining your vehicle. And not only does a ceramic coating make it, like we said, easy to wash and maintain, the products that go with it, that Scott's using behind us, make it really easy to wash after the ceramic coating's been done.
Yeah. So just something for you all to know. I know not everyone hand washes their car or has access to a touchless car wash. Just something to note so you don't get it done and then you're running it through the car wash. Just want to make sure you know that. The other thing you may want to see is if you come around back here, the ceramic coating, does it change the color? Doesn't change the color of the vehicle at all, just gives it a really glossy, finished look. We're just going to let that happen because the trunk goes up. What I noticed is on the plastic trim around back, it gives it a slightly darker look. The other thing I've noticed, because I've been driving it around a little bit since we did this, is the dust. This is where a ton of dust sticks back here because it's a low pressure zone in the rear of the car. there's like no dust on the rear of this. And I have not washed it since I ceramic coated. I've driven it about 100 miles. There's nothing sticking to the back of this. And then washing it, the water is just going to bead off. If you've ceramic coated a car before, you know what I'm talking about. And there's DIYs and there's professionals. The difference is the professional coatings last a while. And I think, don't you have customers come in
for an annual maintenance? So that comes with it as well. We do an annual maintenance every year.
Yeah.
That basically we can inspect it to make sure everything's going good. And truthfully, like I say on most coatings, as long as you maintain it properly,
yeah,
it's amazing. Especially in Arizona. If you look at any vehicle without ceramic coating, plastics are usually just...
They fade.
They're fading.
Yeah.
Really bad.
Yeah.
And we've done a lot of testing when ceramic coatings first came out. Plastics, it just looks great.
Yeah.
As long as you keep them coated.
Okay. Now, the other thing we need to talk about is the tint. Now, you and I did an in-depth video years ago.
Yes.
Showing all the different tint options. And I want to show you guys what I did here, because I did it slightly different. I kind of learned a lesson on my Model Y. It's a personal preference. This is their XR Plus film. It's 35% in the front here, which is the legal limit in Arizona. And then in the back, this is also 35%, but the glass comes dark from the factory. So you can see the difference between this and this. So I went with 35% all the way around on this on purpose because I didn't want the rear to be too dark. Sometimes at night, I've had issues in my other Model Y seeing out of the trunk because there's not a great visibility out of the back. And it goes, what would you say? It's like, it's 35, but acts as a 20.
Because we're putting it on a glass that's almost 20%. It's
Yeah.
about 25% already from the factory.
Right. So I didn't want to go that extra step. Now, that's personal preference. You can go limo. You have customers that go as dark as they want to. But that's what we did. And it's a ceramic film. So in the past, people have thought, oh, I have to get a really dark tint in order to get maximum heat rejection. That's true. The darkest tint will give you more heat rejection, but now the difference is like 2 to 4%. So whether you go with, what are the percent ranges?
It goes anywhere from 5% up to 70%.
70% for those of you that
increments.
don't know is clear.
Correct.
5% is like limo black.
When we talk percentage, we're talking about how much visual light transmittance there is. So how much you can see through. I can see 70% through the window, or I can see 5% through the window.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you want to go really dark, you're going to get great rejection. But if you want to go really light, you don't want to even see that there's a tint there. Maybe you're putting it on your windshield. We did a 70 on my windshield. So you can't even see that there is a film layer there, but I'm getting a huge amount of heat rejection. The nice thing about that is, in the summer, I won't have to be blasting the air conditioning, and especially on your hands and arms as you're driving. The other thing that I noticed is, like, at midday, because I used to spend a lot of time in my car as a medical device rep, my kneecaps would start like cooking. So when you put tint on your windshield, you're able to get that rejection, and you don't have to make it really dark. That's why their XR Plus film is excellent. So now my favorite little touch. Tyler's really good. He always says the small things when we're talking on the phone, but they did a dual motor here, and you can see it's a black chrome. So that is a really good look. And another thing that he does is there's film obviously behind this. So he's able to debadge it, but keep it in the exact same location. I don't know how he does it. I think he has a little gnome in here, a little magic gnome that puts it back on. But anyways, he does a really nice job of keeping the badges exactly where they were. And then some customization we did, having the black dual motor there. So overall, I mean, it turned out great. I'm excited to wash it. It's going to be really easy to maintain for me, especially all the dust and stuff that's out here in Arizona it's a huge problem. They can also do ceramic coatings fully on the interior, on the seats and everything. And again, it doesn't change the color of the seats or anything like that. Some people worry about that. It just gives you an extra layer of protection. If you spill, it's going to be easier to clean up, just like the exterior of the vehicle. Now, the final thing we've done to this, and this is a new film from Expel that I've had some experience with because Tyler got the film in. It's like, hey, let's try it on your Rivian. So we throw the windshield protection film, it's an 8mm film, on the Rivian, and I drove it out to California on a road trip and took a huge rock off of the windshield because I'm like, oh, I don't know, is it going to work? Took a huge rock, and since then multiple, and it sounds different because the film is taking the impact and taking the cut. It It's not cracking your windshield and causing pitting. So we put their brand new windshield protection film. After having that experience in my Rivian, I was like, I have to have this on all of my cars, because windshields, if you break a windshield, even if you have zero deductible glass, it counts as a claim on your insurance, which I didn't know. So it's protecting you from that. Now, it's not 100%. There's still a chance that you break your windshield, but I've taken multiple hits in my Rivian, and I've had no issues. The film's taking the hit, and your windshield is fine. So instead of your windshield, even your windshield, if it's not getting cracked or anything like that, when a rock hits it, it causes pitting, which looks really bad over time. So you could pull this film off 2 or 3 years later and have a perfectly fresh windshield. So I love that they've done that with this film. It takes a day or two to settle for clarity, but after that, the clarity's been excellent. I've had it on my Rivian for months now. And then you recommend, what, once a month spraying on that ceramic?
Correct. So it's going to come with a maintenance spray.
Yeah.
Basically, it's going to keep the windshield nice and hydrophobic, so you can use your windshield wipers. We still do recommend you put new windshield wipers on, or make sure to clean yours as well. But the nice thing about all of this too is that days after this vehicle was released, we had all the pattern designs from XPEL.
Yeah.
So we designed the windshield with a pattern design off the computer and everything else with it as well.
Right. Yeah, because you're getting coverage almost to the edge of the windshield here, which you're able to expand or reduce or whatever. So you, again, I'm standing here. I couldn't tell that there is a film. So just so you understand, the windshield protection's obviously on the outside. The tint is on the inside. So this thing is fully protected, ready for road trips. It's dialed in, and thank you guys for taking care of my cars all these years, because you do great work. So if you're in Arizona or in a surrounding state and you want to bring it to Dynamic Tint, I'll have their information in the description. And then if you're elsewhere, you can go to XPEL's dealer locator. I think on their website, type in your zip code and see what's closest to you.
That's correct. You would just go to xpel.com. It's going to say installation locator, and you'll find a dealer near you.
The other thing is that you've had people drive from Missouri, California, Texas, like all over to come to your shop because they see the videos and they see quality and they bring it here. An extra step that you can take to make sure your car's protected on the road trip here is on XPEL's website. They have what's called a track pack. It's a temporary film that you're able to apply
yourself. It's more like static clean.
Okay.
So it's a little roll of track wrap, and you can cut it into pieces, apply it nice and flat to your vehicle to protect the bumper, to protect the hood, anything in the meantime before you get to a dealer to get it paint protected. Or let's say you want to just take your car on the track one day and you don't have paint protection.
Yeah.
That's a good alternative as well.
Yeah, that way when it gets to the shop, it's like brand new and good to go, and they don't have to make any adjustments. It's just fresh paint and good to go.
Okay, to demonstrate how we don't get swirls and scratches is we use the proper products from XPEL to be nice and gentle on the vehicle. Okay. So if you feel the difference between these, yes, absolutely.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So that's why we use XPEL products.
Yeah, so you have all of XPEL's products here. This seems to be your favorite. So this is a little kit. I have this in my car. Hard case. You could slide this right in your door card.
Yeah.
So if something spills on the interior. So what comes in this? So we got a window cleaner.
So they have a couple different kits. This one's my favorite, though.
Okay.
It's got a window cleaner, it's got interior cleaner, and some ceramic boost. So you got a little bit of everything. Let's say a bird poops on your glass, kids spill something, or if you just need to clean something on the panels of the vehicle, we got you covered.
Okay.
And the nice carrying case, like we were talking about earlier, if you had all this and it was in your car for a mess,
Yeah.
you're going to shove it in a corner, you're going to lose it. Being in a case with all the right necessity needs, that you have a towel and everything for a spill.
You don't need more.
That's it.
Yeah.
We're just trying to get an emergency spill. Most people carry, emergency things in their vehicles for your flat tires.
Yeah.
And stuff like that. That's for our kids or for ourselves that spill something there.
Perfect. And then the other thing I want to show you guys, let's look at that Model 3 in there.
Yeah.
So you guys can see a stealth wrap, and they're not quite done yet, but you can see the difference. So the stealth film here, you can see the gloss here and the stealth and the difference, and it really does give it a unique look. The other thing is I have this on my old Model Y. This film alone is more hydrophobic, so when I have bugs all over the front of my car, it's very easy to clean them off. The other thing is when you're hand washing, you don't have to be very careful and gentle, because this is a self-healing film. You're able to just scrub it off and take everything. It sits in the heat. If it gets scratched, it self-heals. So that's another kind of peace of mind thing is, when you're cleaning your car. and then you can change the look of it. So the bugs don't stick as much, and then if you were to then put a ceramic coat on top of this film, it's crazy. You could probably spray and get most of the bugs off.
Absolutely.
So it's excellent. Another thing that people have talked about, the films yellowing and things like that, maybe 10 years ago that was happening. That's not happening anymore. I at least have not had that experience. I've not had any staining, even on my white satin film, from bug guts or pollen or anything like that, just from maintaining the car. So I've had it on for years. I've not run into those issues, and it does its job in terms of protecting. Now, if you want to hear more about the tint, I've created this video right here, which shows all of the different levels of tint and the color on one window. So you're able to see the differences. We do a deep dive on tint. Check this video out right here.